G'day, Tom here, legacytoolworks, coming at you with another update. Essentially, what's in the works at the moment is a 9-inch skinny profile mini katana knife, or mini tana as it's been coined. What it is a attempt at oriental style blade shapes with the curve at the top. I'll throw up a few images if possible and you'll see for yourself. So it's not done yet, but it's getting there. The point of that exercise was obviously to try something different, and it's still ongoing, so having fun while doing it, and hopefully it'll turn out a really good result. Also, concerning the show, Legacy Toolworks tool time in particular, the intros have changed from a non-existent fade-in to a 8-bit style sort of game intro, if you like. That's inspired from good times from back in the day. Sure, some of you may appreciate that. Essentially, that's it for that. But also, there's a few things coming up visually that'll be changing. Thumbnails, other intros of other parts of the show, like podcasts, even updates that'll be changing soon as well. And I will be uploading as often as I can, working various jobs and keeping up with things certainly keeps me busy. So I'm not going to promise something I can't deliver. So you get what you get, you know. That's how I usually roll. But anyway, just a quick update for you, everybody, and I bid you a fair day indeed. And keep creating. I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao for now.